We are making a delicious broccoli soup. It is very, very healthy to eat. So let me show you how it's made. Making a broccoli soup, which is going to be amazing. For that, I have taken I have taken half a medium size one onion, two to three tablespoons of onion. I have taken 1 cup of broccoli, the florets of it. This is broccoli. I have taken 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I have taken 7 to 8 almonds. I have used the stem of the broccoli. This is also 4 tablespoons. The stems of the broccoli, I have chopped it into this. It's 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of chopped stems, 1 cup of broccoli, 2 tablespoons garlic, 7 to 8 almonds, 1 onion, medium size, 1 chopped onion. I have taken 3/4 cup of water and I'm using 1/4 cup of milk. So let's start making this broccoli soup. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute the onion in the oil. I'm gonna saute till it is just very, the onion softens. I'm not going to make it brown, okay? I'm just going to soften the onions and then I will add the chopped garlic. Also added the chopped garlics in it. You can see that the onions are turned soft. I've added the garlic and I'm going to stir fry it. Point, I've added the stem of the broccoli in it because you need to fry this also after you have cooked the garlic properly, because as you know, garlic has a very strong aroma. I'm going to cook the stem for a few minutes and then I will add the broccoli in it till I'm going to just cook this till it's soft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the almonds into the mixture and I'm going to mix it. Okay, just mix it for a few minutes and I'm going to put the broccoli in, okay, in the mixture, in the wok, and I'm going to just add a little bit of water to steam the broccoli. Okay, so we're going to steam the broccoli for a little while. I've just added very less water. You can see that the broccoli is nice and soft. You need to make this broccoli, cook it just for 15 to 20 minutes till it gets soft, because of course you need a soft broccoli so that we can put it in the blender easily. Now the whole thing I'm going to blend for few minutes till it becomes into a nice consistency. This is what the broccoli looks after I have grinded it, and now I'm going to, I have put it back on the stove, and now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk in it. Okay, I'm just going to mix that. Because I've put almonds in it, the thickness of the broccoli soup will remain, and you don't need to add any flour or corn flour for that purpose. I'm just going to mix this together for a little while. I'm going to let it simmer. Put the milk and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes, and now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water. Okay, and I'm going to let it bubble for a few minutes. I'm going to mix it and I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes till there's a thickness. That this soup is bubbling. There are bubbles in the soup. That means the soup is ready. And I'm going to put off the stove. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, or salt to taste how much salt you want, and a dash of pepper. I'm going to add some pepper and salt. Add the pepper in the broccoli soup, and I'm going to give it a mix. I've just used maybe 1/4 teaspoon of it. The broccoli soup is ready. I have seasoned it with pepper and salt, and this is what it looks like. And it's steaming hot right now. It's a very, very healthy soup, and you can enjoy it with your garlic bread or any bread that you have available. Try this recipe and give me your feedback. You can enjoy it with garlic bread. It's a healthy option for anyone who's dieting or wants to have something healthy.